Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Hope everyone's having an absolutely fantastic day. It's your boy Ryan Loede coming to you live from the Cleveland, Ohio LC Financial Group office. Talking to you guys again with a quick little insurance tip for insurance agents. My name's Ryan Loede, aka The Machine. Hey, if you don't know me, take full responsibility. Owner of LC Financial Group, where we help everyday individuals create a multiple six-figure renewal income here in the insurance industry. Hey, if you want to learn more about what partnering with us would look like here at LC Financial Group, we're hiring in all 50 states. So if you want to learn more about what partnering with us would look like, DM me, comment below, reach out to any of our partners here at LC Financial Group, or hey, send an email to my careers team, careers@teamlcfg.com, careers@teamlcfg.com. So we're going to be talking about part number 3 of the 5 things I would have done differently starting in insurance. I want you guys to learn from my mistakes. Do not learn from your own mistakes. Learn from someone else's mistakes so you can expedite the creation of success in your insurance career. Part number 3, and it's a big one. I wish I would have started doing Medicare and hospital indemnity plans and ultimately just servicing the health insurance side of things, right? Because the first 3, I've been in the insurance industry for the past 7 years. Literally came from, 9 to 5 job, McDonald's, Sears, FedEx, right? Quitting all those jobs, not following through to full completion. In my high school career, multiple run-ins with the police, smoking weed on a daily basis, and almost went to juvenile prison back in high school. But, turned my life around, did a complete 180, got into the insurance industry 7 years ago. Now, for the first 3 to 4 years when I was in the insurance industry, all I was doing was final expense. I was literally just doing final expense, and that was it for the first 3 to 4 years. And then I finally transitioned into Medicare in these past 3-ish years of being in the insurance industry. Now, I wish I would have known about Medicare and health insurance, hospital indemnity plans, cancer plans, dental, vision, hearing plans for the first 3 to 4 years of my career. Now, I'm not suggesting that you try to do 2 products at the same time, right? From my personal experience and what I've seen with a lot of other highly successful insurance agents is that the best thing that you want to do in a practice that has been done by many highly successful insurance agents is that they master one product. They master one specific niche, and then they add a secondary product or maybe a third product to their portfolio. So looking back, I did final expense for the first 3 to 4 years. I wrote $700,000 of final expense business during COVID 2020. I was still running face-to-face, still running appointments, still door knocking. I wrote over $2 million of annualized premium within the first 3 years of my career. But looking back, man, I wish I knew about Medicare. I wish that I was introduced to Medicare in the health insurance side of things. I was just doing final expense because that's all I knew. I didn't hear anything about Medicare. Medicare, just recently came about in my career these past 3 years, right? During the first 3 to 4 years of my career in the insurance industry, all I knew was final expense. I was eating, sleeping, and breathing final expense. That's what's got me the results that I got in final expense. That's what allowed me to, write over $2 million of final expense annualized premium within 3 years. That's what allowed me to do almost, $1 million worth of annualized premium within a 8-month period during a crisis that the United States was having. However, I could have done double the amount of production, double the amount of income, created double the amount of clients if I knew about Medicare. I'm telling you, if you're doing final expense and you're in the insurance industry and you're not doing Medicare, you need to get doing Medicare almost immediately. Now, keep in mind, this is only if you have mastered final expense. Because the last thing I would recommend for anyone to do is to be like, well, I'm not doing too well with final expense. The grass is looking very green with Medicare, so I'm just going to jump over to Medicare. Like, that's the last thing that you want to do, right? A lot of individuals, whether it's in the insurance industry or sales in general, they see that another product or another industry has greener grass. They're like, wow, look at it, looks really nice over there. They get the shiny object syndrome, they get the green grass syndrome, and what I like to call, they start to be grasshoppers. They start to hop from one industry to another, one product to another, without fully mastering the product or industry that they're currently in. So if you're an insurance agent watching this and you're doing final expense and you've mastered final expense, but you're not doing Medicare, stop right now and start doing Medicare. If your current organization is not doing Medicare, then hey, reach out to us here at LC Financial Group, where we specialize in Medicare. We provide you free leads and free resources, inbound calls, live transfers, all for free, right? But hey, I don't want to get into, pitching you guys on the opportunity with LC Financial Group. I want to talk about why I should have started doing Medicare and hospital indemnity plans and diving into health insurance a lot sooner into my career. Because like I said, final expense clients are Medicare clients. Medicare clients are final expense clients. They go hand in hand. If you're doing one and not doing the other, you need to start doing both of them almost immediately, right? Because Medicare, especially if you're not doing Medicare is what's going to build the renewals. It's what's going to build the residual income, right? Because that's the reason why individuals do Medicare. That's the reason why individuals, do health insurance, specifically Medicare, is because of the renewals. It's because of the renewal income, right? You help 100 clients and you're getting 20, let's say for example, $20 for easy math, $20 every single month for those clients. Wow, that's $2,000 a month that's going to be coming in of renewal income, whether you're working or not, as long as those clients are still your client, right? For all that final expense business that I did for the first 3 to 4 years, I probably missed hundreds, if not thousands, of Medicare opportunities that just slipped right away. Whereas if I was doing Medicare, if I knew health insurance, even if I didn't even master Medicare, but I just had it within my portfolio, wow, the amount of additional revenue and income and opportunities that I would have been able to seize while I was doing final expense, my bread and butter, it was just like, wow, like so much missed opportunities. And that's the last thing I want for you guys to be doing. For everyone that's watching this, you're in the insurance industry. If you're not doing Medicare right now, start to do Medicare immediately. And hey, some of you guys might be doing Medicare already. Great, I'm glad to hear. However, if you're not doing hospital indemnity plans, oh my goodness, you need to start doing hospital indemnity plans right now. Hospital indemnity plans are probably the easiest sale. And me personally, hey, I wasn't doing hospital indemnity plans for my first about year, almost even 2 years of doing Medicare. Like, what was I thinking? I just didn't know what I didn't know, right? The reason I wasn't doing Medicare for my first 3 to 4 years in the insurance industry because I didn't know anything about Medicare. I wasn't continually learning about insurance, right? I wasn't continually learning about insurance and insurance training, right? I was just doing general sales training, right? I went to insurance events, but I wasn't really hip to Medicare. Because I'm like, oh, final expense, that upfront money, the advance money. Like I was creating income. I was just duplicating my results. I was repeating successful actions, which, the last thing that you want to do is to move away from those successful actions that you're taking. However, while you are taking successful actions, you want to implement maybe new strategies or a new product like Medicare, right? And I wish I would have done that. As I said, I probably missed hundreds, if not thousands, of opportunities while I was doing final expense for my first 3 to 4 years. I missed hundreds, if not thousands, of opportunities of Medicare or hospital indemnity plan or cancer plans or dental, vision, hearing plans. I missed so much opportunity, right? And that's the last thing I want to see for you guys. So if you're not doing Medicare right now, immediately start to do Medicare. We can help you here at LC Financial Group. We can help you start to do Medicare. Hey, if you're a final expense agent and you're doing final expense right now, we can help you convert 30 to 40% of your final expense book of business into Medicare beneficiaries. It's the same thing I did, right? Because I wasn't doing Medicare for my first 3 to 4 years. So when I started doing Medicare, the first thing I did, I went to my power base. I went to my existing clients and I converted 30 to 40% of them into Medicare beneficiaries. However, I could have been doing that from the jump. I could have been offering Medicare in every sales presentation or every encounter with the client, right? If I wasn't able to help them with final expense, wow, like I would have been able to help them with Medicare, right? Or hospital indemnity plan, right? Just the portfolio of products that have synergy with each other. Final expense, Medicare, hospital indemnity plans. You need to be doing them all. I'm telling you, you're missing out on so much opportunity, so much additional revenue and income, and maybe even second sales or third sales with your clients that you already have, right? So if you're not doing Medicare, start to do Medicare. Hey, and take it even a step further. As I said, I wasn't doing hospital indemnity plans until about the last year of me being in the Medicare space. I've been in the Medicare space for about 3, coming up on 4 years, and I wasn't doing hospital indemnity plans for the first 2 years of my health insurance career. Like, what was I thinking? Hospital indemnity plans are almost the easiest sale that you can make, the easiest additional revenue creating product that you can have in your health insurance portfolio. All those Medicare Advantage clients that are not dual eligible clients, you need to be assisting them with their hospital indemnity plan. You need to be educating them on the gaps of their coverage that they have, right? That hospital inpatient copay for every day that they're staying in the hospital, the ambulance copay, the emergency room copay, right? Hey, the cancer, giving them a lump sum cancer benefit, maybe even the outpatient, services, right? Maybe even additional dental, vision, hearing. One of the best hospital indemnity carriers that you can use is Heartland National. Heartland National, hands down, one of the best hospital indemnity carriers that you can use. So don't do your clients a disservice. Don't do yourself a disservice by not having these 3 products in your portfolio. Most importantly, Medicare and hospital indemnity, right? Because, wow, there's millions and millions of Medicare beneficiaries that you can help that are needing help. They're needing an educator, someone who wants to educate them, someone who wants to teach them about how Medicare works, the gaps of Medicare, how to cover those gaps, right? They want a truly genuine individual to service them, and you can be that individual. So don't make the same mistake that I made in not doing Medicare and hospital indemnity for my first 3 to 4 years. It was one of the biggest mistakes that I've made in my career. I just didn't know what I didn't know. Now you know that Medicare and hospital indemnity plan is an absolute must. It's an absolute must to add to your portfolio. And hey, if you want to learn more about what it would look like to add those products to your portfolio, reach out to me, DM me, comment below, reach out to any of our partners here at LC Financial Group. We want to help you with your Medicare and your hospital indemnity. We want to help you. Maybe you're already a Medicare agent, increase your Medicare sales, right? So guys, do Medicare, do hospital indemnity, and I'm telling you, things will change. Start creating that renewal income, right? That's the reason why individuals do Medicare, is because of the renewal income, right? What I've seen for myself, what I've seen for a lot of my partners here at LC Financial Group, more specifically my executives, is that, hey, once you build up that renewal income, now you can step away from working in the business to transitioning into working on the business, building a team, building an agency, building an organization, helping other individuals do the same thing that you did, creating a multiple 6-figure renewal income with Medicare, right? Like you have been blessed enough to help yourself with creating renewal income. Why don't you just start helping other people do that now? You've created enough for yourself that you're covering your expenses, you have additional renewal income left over. Now, why don't you transition to working in the business, right? Transition to working in the business, right? That's what Medicare could do for you, right? Medicare, hey, maybe you don't even want to build a team, which, honestly, frankly, I don't see why you wouldn't want to, unless you don't have the right systems, the processes, you don't know how to correctly build a well-oiled machine, a well-oiled organization. If you don't know how to do that, hey, come partner with us here at LC Finance Group. We have the systems, the processes, the well-structured foundation and the organization to help you build your own team, right? That's where I step in as someone who scaled a business within, about a year and a half to over 100 partners, right? A multi-million-dollar business. A well-oiled machine that is continually scaling, that is continually growing. And we want to help you grow your business and grow your agency and grow your organization here at LC Finance Group. But that's what Medicare could do for you, right? Not just working in the business, but transitioning to working on the business. Or maybe even just transition to, hey, having more free time to spend with your family. Maybe taking more vacations, maybe being able to step away from working on the business all the time or in the business all the time. Now you're able to do what you want, when you want, with who you want, with the amount of times that you want to do it. That's financial freedom, having the options, having the choices, right? Now you don't have to be trading so much time for money. Now you can trade money for time, right? You can start to hire assistants. You can start to hire, employees, right? Medicare, I'm telling you, it's one of the best opportunities right now. You need to seize the moment. You need to seize the opportunity. If you're only doing life insurance, I'm telling you, you need to start doing Medicare immediately. Hands down, will be the best decision that you can make. And also, hey, we want to help you here at LC Finance Group with that Medicare decision. We want to help you. We want to partner with you. We want to build a strategic partnership and a relationship where we not just only help you produce Medicare and produce business, writing on your personal pen, but also helping you transition to working on the business, building a business, building a organization where you can step away from the business and the business is still running, the business is still generating income and revenue, right? Building a business by design, not just by accident. That's why many individuals don't want to build a business, build an organization, build a team, build an agency in the insurance industry. Maybe they've done it before and it didn't work, and now they're like, hey, I'm cool with the one-man show of it just being me. Hey, well, you need to change your thinking. The reason that happened is because you were building by accident and you were not building by design. We will help you here at LC Finance Group, help you build your organization, your agency, and your team by design. We have the infrastructure, we have the systems, we have the organization, we have all the team contact points, right? And we want to help you. But guys, if you're not doing Medicare, if you're not doing the hospital indemnity, if you're not having health insurance in your portfolio, you need to do it. There's no reason why you shouldn't be doing it. The upside, the revenue, the income, the potential to scale and grow is almost limitless in the Medicare space, in the health insurance space. One of the biggest mistakes I made for my first 3 to 4 years, not doing Medicare, not knowing about health insurance. So I want to make you aware of the potential opportunities that are available with Medicare. So hope this found you well, guys. Ryan Loede here, aka The Machine, owner of LC Finance Group, where we help everyday individuals create a multiple six-figure renewal income in the insurance industry with Medicare. If you want to learn more about what partnering with us would look like, DM me, comment below, reach out to any of our partners here at LC Finance Group, or hey, send an email to my careers team, careers@teamlcfg.com, careers@teamlcfg.com. You guys have a great rest of your day. Hey, if you're not doing Medicare, if you're not doing hospital indemnity plans, if you do not have health insurance in your portfolio, do it immediately. Do it immediately. You won't regret it. And hey, thank me if you can. I'll see you guys soon. Talk soon.